Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So, how are you? What's going on in this time? Absolutely, the Stellar XLM is on the profit. So, I think you will be also enjoy this big chance, my brother, and get a very good profit, my brother. I hope you will also, my friend, invest now in those days and Stellar XLM because without any doubt, that's clear, my brothers. To XLM will give you a very good profit now in very short time, my brother. So, this is the main thing, my brothers. This to a very short time. Otherwise, my brother, all currencies is give a profit, but not like XLM. XLM is one of the unique cryptocurrency in a crypto market, and definitely the price is also the main thing, my friend. The price is very cheap now, so everyone can buy this coin. Absolutely very easy to buy it now. And if you check out, my friend, the video, especially check out on channel, go now how buy XLM. Clear, that's clear. Go invest and Stellar XLM and get a very good profit. So today I will talk about, my friends, to sell, buy, or what we need to do, my brother. Selling, buying, or holding now. So my brother, first of all, I want to tell you, my brothers, to XLM this time is in the profit. So if XLM any coin, my brother, is in the profit, so we need to buy more. But definitely this time they will move upwards, so we need to buy more because the price is increasing. When the price is starting fails down, then go now, set it, and my friends, convert and to stable coin like Cardano, like my friend USD, especially just only convert it now. And I hope, my brothers, you will be get a very good profits now. So that's my opinion, my brothers, to please hold and don't sell it. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. I will post it again now if my opinion is going to be wrong. So kindly share your opinion in a comment box and give me a proof. I need a proof because I cannot share, my friends, without any proof. My opinion, my everything, my friend, and my viewers, my subscriber. So thanks for watching. Who subscribe our YouTube channel? If you are new my channel, so just click the subscribe. I will give you 100% guarantee to you will never lose. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.